2-minute business tip number 7. You must have a strategic plan. So, most people are just wandering around their business. They're wandering around the economy and they're working, and when their economy's good, they're making money, and when the economy's bad, they're not making money, but they don't have any plan. You must have a strategic plan. Now, I can promise you something here, regardless of whether you're an apprentice starting off, you're a sole trader, tradesman, or you got 3 or 4 guys working for you, right? Everything that you want in your business is available to you once you get 500 profit per day. I beaten this drum for the last couple of years. I teach all of my clients how to work towards getting to 500 euros profit per day, and that's what I urge you guys to do. So if you don't have a strategic plan, take on board the plan right now, and the plan should be to get yourself to a point where you can make 500 euros per day. You need to work towards getting yourself to a point where you can make 500 a day. If you can do it already, great. If you can't, don't lose faith. Just work towards getting yourself to it. Get yourself to 500 euros in one day. And when you've got it there one day, try and get it the next day. And it might take you 3 weeks to get it once. And then it might take you 2 weeks after that. And then the next one might be only a week after that. But you must be aiming to get yourself to the point of making 500 euros per day. Everything that you want to buy in life exists on the far side of you getting 500 euros per day, and that's part of the plan. So don't just think that I'm going to work for the sake of doing a day's work. Don't just go and look at the clock and you're looking at the hours counting down. Every single day you get out of bed, you're getting out there to get your 500 for that day. It's as simple as that, right? And then as this plan grows and you start having more belief in yourself, the next question is, what am I going to do with this 500 euros per day? Let me knock this off here. So the strategic plan is to get yourself towards 500 euros a day, and we're not getting to 500 a day purely to spend it. We're then going to start using our business as the vehicle for wealth creation, as I mentioned in some other videos. But for now, you must at least be getting yourself towards 500 euros every single day.